Dear student of Standard 9, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Today I will start chapter 13, lecture 6. Our chapter name is The Financial and Banking System of the Government of Bangladesh. In the previous classes, I have discussed about central bank, commercial bank. Today, I will discuss about the role of various banks in poverty alleviation and self-employment. At first, what is self-employment? Self-employment means being engaged independently in the field of production or in income generating process through self-initiative with a view to being free from the curse of unemployment by an active person willing to do work. Every year, around 20 to 25 lakh of new eligible people enter the labor market of Bangladesh. Various banks are playing important role in creating employment of those people and in poverty alleviation. Now I will discuss the role of these banks in poverty alleviation. At first, Bangladesh Krishi Bank. This is the logo of Bangladesh Krishi Bank. So after the achievement of liberation, Bangladesh Krishi Bank was formed, taking all the assets and liabilities of the Farmer Agriculture Development Bank situated in Bangladesh. This bank has important role in poverty alleviation and employment creation, and Bangladesh Krishi Bank gives short-term, medium and long-term loans to the farmers for enhancing agriculture production. Krishi Bank gives loans for various purposes like purchasing cattle, seeds, fertilizer and agriculture instruments, installation of power driven pumps, deep and shallow pumps for irrigation. And besides agricultural works, this bank also gives loan for poultry and livestock growing, fishery, sericulture, fruit cultivation, flower cultivation and for cottage industry. In addition to Bangladesh Krishi Bank, the Sonali Bank, the Agroni Bank, the Janata Bank, Rajshahi Krishi Unnayan Bank and Pubali Bank have included microcredit programs with proper importance in their respective agriculture and rural loan program to eradicate poverty through self-employment and income generating activities. Microcredit means Khudro Rin, that is small loan. Minimum 25% of the annual loan disbursement target in agriculture and rural development heads of those banks and financial organizations are reserved for poverty alleviation. This loan is supplied through various organizations including private organizations, and these banks have their own programs too. Now, Grameen Bank. Grameen Bank, Bangladeshi bank founded by economist Muhammad Yunus Ali as a means of providing small loans to poor individuals. In 2006, Grameen and Yunus were awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace. He is Dr. Yunus Ali, founder of the Grameen Bank. Grameen Bank has emerged in Bangladesh as an exceptional bank. It is a specialized financial organization for giving loan to the landless rural men and women. This bank is also known as the Microcredit Facilitating Bank. There are some pictures of Grameen Bank in rural areas. This is the head office of Grameen Bank in Dhaka. Now, functions of Grameen Bank. The Grameen Bank gives banking facility to the poor men and women of Bangladesh without any security. The advancement of bank started with a vote to protect the poor people from the exploitation of rural money lenders. And lastly, the bank is playing an extended role to create scope for self-employment for the vast unemployed rural population. Now, what is rural money lenders? So, a person who carries on the business of money lending in rural area is called rural money lender. Here, the money lender gives money to the poor people with high interest rate in per week or monthly. In this case, if anyone fails to deposit money in due times, the interest rate will be doubled or tripled. The poor people become helpless and face a lot of problems. And sometimes they have to sell their lost property to repay the loan. So like this, the poor farmers or the poor people are exploited by the money lender. So there are some extra question for you. Why small farmers take money from money lenders? Because they do not have excessive money for agriculture to fulfill the needs of families, so that they borrow money from the money lenders or large farmers. Why did the peasants borrow money from the money lender? Because peasants borrow money from money lenders to pay land revenue. The Britishers introduced a revenue system in which peasants have to pay high amount of land revenue or their land will be taken away from them. Now, what is microcredit? The lending of small amounts of money at low interest to new business in the developing world. Microcredit is a common form of microfinance that involves an extremely small loan given to an individual to help them to become self-employed or grow a small business. Microcredit is also known as microlending or microloan. Now, how Grameen Bank help the poor people? Grameen Bank targets and mobilizes the poor and creates social and financial conditions so that they receive credit by identifying a source of self-employment in familiar, rural, non-farm activities. So, dear students, you will just memorize what is microcredit, this definition, okay? No need to memorize these questions. So today up to this everyone. Stay at your home safely. Thank you.